Shed exterior pest prevention should be included in new home construction plans to stop rodents and insects before they establish a foothold. Design the shed with an elevated and sealed floor by raising the base on a concrete or treated sill at least 4 inches above grade and sealing all seams with an elastomeric sealant so soil moisture and burrowing pests cannot enter. Install metal thresholds at door bottoms and around any access panels to prevent chewing and gnawing while keeping tight clearance for swinging doors. Screw the metal into place with corrosion-resistant fasteners and cover the fastener heads with sealant. Store all items in rigid airtight containers with gasket lids made of heavy-duty plastic and stack them off the floor on palletized racks to maintain airflow and visibility. Label contents to minimize rummaging and reduce opportunities for pest food sources. For vents, eaves, and soffits, use 1/4 inch stainless steel or galvanized mesh. Cut and fit it inside the framing so it is not exposed to direct contact, and fasten with masonry or framing anchors depending on the substrate. This keeps insects and small animals out while allowing ventilation. Establish a maintenance schedule with biannual inspections for gaps, moisture, and gnaw marks, and perform targeted corrective actions immediately, such as recaulking or replacing damaged sections, and document findings with photos and dates to track trends. Manage the immediate perimeter by clearing vegetation away from the shed by at least 2 feet, keeping mulch depth shallow, and using gravel or hardscape near the foundation to reduce harborage and to make pest activity visible. 3 common issues are gaps at floor and wall joints that allow rodents entry, persistent moisture under and around the shed that attracts insects and fungi, and storage practices that create food sources and hiding places. For gaps, use backer rod and a durable exterior rated sealant, and install metal flashing or angle iron at vulnerable seams to block gnawing. To control moisture, regrade soil so water flows away, install simple gravel trenches or a French drain if needed, and ensure roof overhang and gutters divert water away from the shed base. For storage problems, move contents into labeled airtight containers, use shelving to keep things off the floor, and remove cardboard which shelters insects and retains moisture. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like shed pest prevention by making it easy to find local professionals and share practical tips. We host a discussion community where members exchange experience-based advice on details like mesh sizes, sealant brands, and inspection routines, so our users learn from each other and find work or help efficiently.